Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain the ITSM experience modules, which includes service portal, mobile app, a virtual agent, and agent workspace. So let's start with service portal. The ServiceNow ITSM service portal is designed to offer an optimized user experience while providing a centralized hub for service requests, and extensive customization capabilities. ServiceNow ITSM Service Portal focus on simplicity and ease of use, making it accessible for both technical and non-technical users. The interface is intuitive with clear navigation and search functionalities, ensuring that user can quickly find the services and information they need. The portal serves as a centralized hub for all ITSM activities, integrating various functions like incident management, request fulfillment, and knowledge management into a single platform. The centralization enhances efficiency and user consistency in service delivery. Users can easily request services and resources through the service catalog, which offers a comprehensive list of available services. This catalog is categorized and searchable, allowing user to quickly find the request what they need. Automated workflows ensure that requests are routed to the appropriate team for fulfillment. The service portal is highly customizable, allowing organization to tailor it to their specific needs. Customization options include branding, creating new pages and widgets, and configuring workflows to match business processes. Advanced users can leverage the Now platform's low-code and pro-code tools to develop custom applications and integrate third-party systems. So in conclusion, the ServiceNow ITSM service portal provides a user-friendly, centralized, and customizable platform for managing IT services, enhancing the overall experience and operational efficiency. Then mobile app. The ServiceNow ITSM mobile app is designed to provide user with convenient on-the-go access to ITSM functionalities. The app ensures that user can perform critical tasks related to incident management, request fulfillment, asset management, and more directly from their mobile devices. This enhances productivity, responsiveness, and overall user satisfaction by enabling IT operations from anywhere. The ITSM mobile app features an intuitive design, allowing user to navigate effortlessly through the various functions. The user-friendly interface ensures that even non-technical users can efficiently perform tasks. User can personalize their dashboard to prioritize the information and tasks most relevant to them. Widgets and shortcuts can be added or removed as needed. The app is designed to be responsive, providing a consistent experience across different devices and screen sizes. Whether on a smartphone or tablet, the layout adapts to ensure usability. The mobile app provides real-time notifications for updates on incidents, requests, and approvals. User can customize notification setting to manage which alert they receive. Then virtual agent. The ServiceNow virtual agent is an intelligent chatbot designed to assist users by automating conversations and resolving common IT issues. This tool leverages natural language understanding and machine learning to provide efficient, automated support to users, enhancing productivity and user satisfaction. The virtual agent engages user in intelligent, context-aware conversation. It provides user queries and provides relevant responses using advanced NLU. The chatbot is equipped with NLU capabilities, allowing it to interpret and respond to users' input accurately. Users can interact with the virtual agent across multiple channels, including the ServiceNow platform, web portals, and mobile apps. The chatbot can personalize interactions based on user profile, past interaction, and preferences, providing a more tailored experience. The virtual agent provides round-the-clock assistance, ensuring user can get help whenever they need it. Users can access a wide range of self-service options through the virtual agent, reducing the need for human intervention and improving response times. The virtual agent can pull information from the organization's knowledge base to provide accurate and relevant answers to user queries. The virtual agent can follow predefined workflows to handle routine tasks and queries such as password reset, incident creation, and service request. The chatbot continuously learns from interaction, improving its response and expanding its capabilities over time. The virtual agent can handle common tasks like password resets, guiding user through a necessary step to regain access to their accounts. Users can report incident directly through the virtual agent, which can then create and assign tickets based on the information provided. The chatbot can assist user in submitting service requests, ensuring all required information is collected and processed correctly. Then Agent Workspace. The ServiceNow ITSM Agent Workspace is designed to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of ITSM. It provides a streamlined, intuitive interface that integrates various tools and functionalities tailored specifically for IT service agents. The Agent Workspace offers a unified single-pane view where agents can access all necessary information and tools without navigating between multiple windows or tabs. This consolidated view enhances productivity by providing a comprehensive perspective of incidents, requests, and tasks, ensuring that all relevant data is readily available. The workspace employs a tabbed format, allowing agents to work on multiple records simultaneously. This format facilitates multitasking and quick switching between different tasks, such as handling incidents, requests, and changes without losing context. The workspace provides a targeted experience tailored to the needs of IT service agents. It includes features like offering relevant information and recommendation based on the current task, step-by-step guidance for handling specific types of requests or incidents, customizable dashboard and view that align with the agent's role and responsibility. Data visualization in the agent workspace help in understanding trends, performance metrics, and other critical data at a glance. These visualization can include real-time dashboard showing key performance indicator and metrics, pre-configured and customizable reports that provide insights into various aspects of ITSM, visual representation of data that helps in identifying patterns and making informed decisions. So that's all about ITSM experience modules. In my next videos, I will explain each of the ITSM experience module in detail. Thank you.